How to turn off video autoplay on Twitter. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to turn off video autoplay on Twitter. So first is you have to make sure that your Twitter application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store, then just type in their Twitter. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Twitter application is updated. And if your application is updated, we can now start in our tutorial. So let's go back to our home page and just open the Twitter application, and it will lead you directly to your home page or your feed area. Then to be able to turn off the video autoplay, and as you can see, if I'm just scrolling, it will automatically play the video. So to be able to turn off the autoplay video on Twitter, on the upper left, you will see your profile there. You click on that and scroll all the way down till you see the settings and privacy. Now go to your settings and privacy, then go to the accessibility, display, and languages. And in here, you will see the data usage. You click on the data usage, then scroll all the way down till you see these video section, and on the video section there you will see the high quality video and the video autoplay. Now if you click on video autoplay, it will give you choices such as mobile data and wi-fi only, or never. So to actually turn off the autoplay on Twitter, then you have to set it on never. Now if you already set it up on the never, let's go back here. Let's go back to your page. Let's find a video here. For example, this one. Now, as you can see, it won't be autoplay. It won't autoplay. So you really have to click on that before it really starts to play. So basically, that is how you turn off your video autoplay on Twitter. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful. And if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comment section. And have a great day.